Hello, how are you? Okay, my name is Jenny. Welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day or night or whatever it is for you. Okay, so I have a quite, well, it's not like huge, but it's a larger Temu haul. And I'm about to get ready to open up package for my mother. Part one I did for myself, and part two is for my mom. So I had already opened it, and I have the package down here on the floor right next to me because it is huge, and I do not have the room anywhere to put it except for here on the floor. All right, so let's get started, y'all. Oh wow, there's so much stuff in here. All right, let's get these ones out of the way here first. Okay, so I wanted to give my mom some different things to do. So I paid $4.32 for one, and then $7.69 for one. So let's go ahead and open these and go through these. What is this? Okay, so it comes with your drills. It comes with a placer, a tray, and then these, if you guys don't know, are, so it didn't come with the coasters things that stop it from moving around. Whatever. So it has like flowers. These are different little flowers. I'm hoping you guys can see these. It's roses. I'm not even sure what that one is, but it's just a bunch of little flowers. And then, of course, my favorite, sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds, sunflower. Okay, so there's this one. It's my mom's. Okay, try to figure out how to shove that back in there. Y'all, they do not play fair with these. Like, they didn't pack them that great or anything. Okay. So this one was the $4.32. How much I paid for these ones. I need to set up. I have a bag here. It's already my mom's bag, so I'll just sit that in there for now. I need to get her another bag to put everything in because she got way too much. All right, so this one is upside down. All right. So here's your diamonds. It's got your diamonds. Okay. So you can put that back how it was. Alright, so it's got your placer, your tray, your wax. And then these ones, see, these ones have it. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so these ones have it. So there's 8 of them in there. And then this kit I paid $7.64 for. So it has birds, different little birds, y'all. I think these are little hummingbirds, but they're so pretty. I figured these could be like little little quick projects for my mom that she can do and enjoy. I actually may get me some too, y'all. These are adorable. These are really adorable. So yeah, I may have to invest in some of those for myself, y'all. I've never done myself. I've never done the coasters. I don't really use coasters at all, but I mean, they're coasters. What could go wrong with having a bunch of freaking coasters, right? Alright, so this is a package I got from my mother. So this package was there you go. Okay, so for this package I paid $5.27 for it's a 4-piece. So okay. So you got 4 trays. I guess you got 4 paintings. And then you got your beads, your girls. Okay, so let's look at some of these paintings. So these are 20 by 20s. So you have a Christmas wreath. I figured she would love those. You have flowers. Y'all, I may have to go back and get me some of these. You have this one. And these are just small ones that she can do like very quickly. Nothing too like strenuous for the woman. So these are super adorable. And this is her set of stuff. Y'all, I shop for myself when it comes to diamond paintings, and my mother when it comes to diamond paintings, because I'm trying to get it in there. She too loves diamond paintings. That woman loves any types of arts and crafts. She's a lover for all things arts and crafts, y'all. That woman being my mother. So this comes in a package right here. Here's what that came in. So you got some little new thing. Pull out some of these bigger ones. So she's got a couple of things in here that you've already seen that I'm not gonna re-show, because I got 2 of them, one for me and one for her. So yeah, I'm not showing ones that I have double of. Okay, so I accidentally got 3 of these. They're different, but at the same time, it's kind of the same. So my daughter and my nephews and all them are completely obsessed with these characters, which I will show you in just a little bit. This one, so Trey, and then this is what it looks like. It's just a cute little country, like scenery. You got your rocking chair, a little table. So yeah, and this is a 30 by 40. And then the price for this one is, y'all, I am so, I don't even know. Like, I feel like I'm missing. I'm gonna look and make absolute sure, but I feel like I'm missing something. Or a few things. Alright, so this I paid $271 for this. And this is, like I said, these are all from my mama. She deserves this. And this is the order I got for her for Mother's Day. I asked her so many times, hey Mom, what do you want for Mother's Day? And she's all like, give me some diamond paintings. And I'm like, awesome. What kind of diamond paintings? She wouldn't look. Y'all, she would not look. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this other one out of the way, and then we can start on the ones that I was talking about earlier. I need to get in there and find the third one real quick. Okay, so this one is another one I got from my mom. And some of these I got are smaller because she doesn't do a lot of small. I don't know how they're going to turn out. I mean, you could obviously see what that is. It's a house, you know, you can see that. And it's a 30 by 30. It's just different sizes for her to try different ones. And like I said, these are little snack size ones she can do. Just little snacks. She's always complaining that she has more, like, she don't have a lot of scenery photo or diamond paintings, which I think is absolutely insane because for her birthday, which is what I originally got her diamond paintings for, was for her birthday. I'm almost 100% positive I bought her a crap ton of these diamond paintings, so I don't even know. Okay, I don't even know what this one is, but it looks quite creepy. Okay, so this one isn't going to open with me either. Just look at that, it's already been like taped. I hate when they do that. And nothing. Oh, yeah. So that's what this one is. Figure it's something different. They don't have it to where I was able to actually. This is gonna drive me absolutely mad, y'all. So I'm about to pop this one out. This package. Y'all, I gotta travel with these. People need to start making it more easier. Alright. I just switched bags. So like I said, there's some of these that I'm not gonna show because I've already showed in my first round of orders. So I'm gonna pull out some of these because I'm looking for specific ones. Yeah, oh. You're gonna pull them all out. Cricket. Cricket. That's what I was looking for. Alright, now I'm going to put these back down here for me. Like I said, I'm not going to open them all, but I am going to open some of these. Okay, what is this one? Alright, maybe I'll open a few of these. Okay, so this is kind of like, the reason why I'm doing this is because it's kind of like a set here. So, my daughter is obsessed with these, and not just my daughter, my nephews are too, because my daughter got them obsessed with it. So my mother is doing diamond paintings for all of her grandbabies. So she asked about Five Nights at Freddy's. You guys ever watched the show? You know, for my nephews, and yeah. So I got her 3 of them. So she has this one for one of them. She could figure out how she wants to do that one, you know, how she wants to do that and what she wants, what for what, you know. But there's this one. Like I said, they're all Five Nights at Freddy's. I don't know. I know my nephew Austin and my daughter, they both very much love them some Five Nights at Freddy's. My daughter absolutely loves them. I mean, she's still very big on them. I was hoping like she would outgrow it, but I mean, she's not as big on them as what she used to be. She used to have like all her action figures, and you know, so she has calmed down a lot with them. But she still got her Five Nights at Freddy's security breach and all of that everywhere on her walls and stuff. So, anyways, so there's this one. And like I said, these are my mama's. For her grandbabies. Her grand monsters. Okay, and then this one right here is another Five Nights at Freddy's, y'all. Like I said, I don't even know. Okay. So it comes with the tray, comes with these, and then this is another one. It's another Five Nights at Freddy's. So she could just pick out of these ones which one she wants to give to what grandbaby. Like I said, it don't really matter. Whatever one she picks is the one she picks, you know. So my daughter is not really a princess girl. So she's gonna do diamond painting for all her grandbabies. She would do for Bailey and Elizabeth too. So this one is literally almost the exact same one I opened the first time, but we're gonna go ahead and pop it out and take a look at it. Yeah, and then she just picks out which one she wants for what grandchild, and then it goes from there. So it comes with your tray, it comes with your drills, and these are all 30 by 40s, by the way. And then there's another one. So yeah, just kind of got these for her to try out. And these ones I paid, first off, let me back it out of here. Alright, so for the Five Nights at Freddy's, I paid for the white looking one, I paid it was $3.98, and that one was for this one, $3.98 for the white one, and then I paid what was, so let's see, I paid $4.48 for this one, and then for this one I paid, y'all, this is just for kids, like Five Nights at Freddy's. Some parents' kids don't. It's totally understandable. I wish mine didn't care for it, because honestly, if you ever watched the stuff for Five Nights at Freddy's, it's very, very weird. Not necessarily something that I care for too much, but it is what it is. Where is this other one? Y'all. Oof. So this one was $3.95. So get those out of the way. Okay. So this one I paid get over there. Sounds like my husband and one of my kids are getting up. Where are you at? You're not there. I don't really want to just sit and find all the pricing for these, but that's what I'm doing. And it's fine. So this one I paid was it two something? I thought it was like two something, but let me make sure. Yeah, $2.98 for this one. And this one's a smaller one. This one, it's technically for my sister, not my mother. And it is the nun bitch. Excuse my language. Don't like her. Anyways, she creeps me out. I'm trying to show you guys everything I got, otherwise I wouldn't even showed you that one. I mean, I don't know. I don't mind. It was just a really freaky movie. That's all I could say. It was just a freaky movie. Like, it is what it is. So this one is my sister's. This one's my mother's. So I just got her a few different ones. Like I said, it didn't have like any specific why did I get this one. I just thought they were cute and I grabbed them for her. She, like I said, she needed some different diamond paintings, ones that had different stuff. So this one was $3.37. So it comes with the wax, comes with the beads, the girls. I don't know why they're calling it a bead. And it is a really pretty like owl thing. And I got that for her for no specific reason other than I thought it was cute. Like, she wouldn't get on there and pick out her own, so If she don't like any of these, then next time I guess she'll get on there and start picking out her own. But I thought it was cute, honestly. I love the whites and all that were in this one. So there's that. And then this one is two, also my mother's. Ooh, is this a square? Ooh, I hope it is, because then she'll know what I deal with and why I hate squares. I don't hate squares. I'm just not the biggest fan of squares. Yo, we're not even nowhere near done yet, so, oh no. Yeah, this is so aggravating. Like, why would you guys do that? Alright, Temu, if you're paying attention, pay freaking attention. So, I don't even know if this is going to work out now. So, it's just diamonds. It's got, like, different ones. But, it's like a little, it's supposed to be a Christmassy scene. But it's very, yeah, it's not going to turn out, I don't think. You guys, it looks so much better on camera than what it does in real life. But I'm going to go ahead and, I guess, give it to her. I don't know what else to do. It is what it is. So, and they do come with bags, but at the same time, I don't think this one's going to turn out at all. Which sucks, but whatever. I probably won't buy diamond paintings from this brand again, because this is like the second or third one I've gotten from them. It's been not the best. And I paid for this disaster, which is what it looks like. It's a disaster. It looks really bad, y'all. In person, it looks horrible. So, yeah. I'm just gonna put it in her stuff and she can go from there. I paid for that one. I really hope it wasn't like too bad. $3.95 is how much that one was paid for. Alright, now we're gonna get to some bigger ones. So this one is a 40 by 40. And it's got your drills. They just wrote on the bags 03 and 02. Anyways, it's got your drills. And then this is the picture. It's just a scenery one. Like I said, she's very much into like Thomas Kincaid stuff. Like, that's her jam. And Thomas Kincaid is a lot of like scenery and really pretty like scenery. So this one is one of her bigger ones. Man, you guys, I'm gonna be on here. I'm gonna do one more and then I'm gonna do a part 3 to this haul. And then hopefully I will be done soon. Let's see what time. No, I'm actually gonna go ahead and do a part 3 now. All right, y'all, I am going to hop off of here. I will do a part 3 and then we could finish this stuff we got going on over here. What is that? Okay, we can finish the diamond painting reviews. All right, so thank you for watching. If you have watched, I really appreciate it. If you are new here and you like my channel, please hit that like and subscribe button and become part of my family. That really helps me. And then I will see you in part 3. Bye.